Okay, this is another update on the camper build, and this weekend I've been working on the fenders. I'm just going to show you how I mounted them. First of all, I primed them and I sprayed them with my spray gun with a called Smoke Gray Rust-Oleum, and boy, that looks really good. But anyway, I mounted them. I used this 3/16 bar stock, and I welded it to the underside of my subframe of the trailer, and I placed the fender on there, marked it, drilled it, put the bolts in, and I can put all my weight on this thing and it doesn't give. So you can stand on that fender if you needed to. So that's the left side, and there's the right side fender. Again, the paint turned out really good on those. So all I've got to do today is mount the tail lights, and this thing will be ready to be taken to the state trooper to have it stamped. These are the lights that I'm going to use. I have built some little brackets here, and what I'm going to do is weld these to the back side of the camper right here. This is metal right here. Right here's metal. I'll run a bead right here to put the angle, and then I was going to mount the tail light right there. Thought that would look pretty cool. It's out of the way. I wouldn't hit my knee when walking around the trailer. So we'll see. Alright, that's just an update on the trailer, what I've done this weekend. Thanks for watching.